Max unmocked. He once slammed a revolving door. Rachel Ryan. When she crosses the street, the cars look both ways.
Brennan Imhoff. If you flip over China, it says made by him.
Most interesting physics project in the world.
Projectile motion is the motion of an object thrown near the Earth's surface in a curved path, acted on by only the force of gravity. Gravity is the force pushing down on you Earth at all times. It does not exist in a perfect physics world.
Squeeze!
Gravity.
At the top of the swing, I have potential energy. Then, when I start moving down into the swing, it transfers into kinetic energy, or moving energy.
Alright, Newton's first law states that an object in rest stays in rest until acted upon by an outside force. Oh, what?
Look at this perfect balance right here. This is an example of a complex machine. It involves two simple machines, a wedge and a lever. As you can see, me and Brennan are in equilibrium right now. Oh! Okay.
Refraction is the bending of a wave when it enters a medium where its speed is different. When light enters the medium that is the water, it bends the wave closer to the normal, therefore distorting the image of the pencil. What you just saw is an example of convection. As the water boiled, the hot water from the bottom rose to the top as the cold water sunk to the bottom. The flame from the stove heated up the cold water on the bottom and then caused it to rise back to the top. This created a constant flow of water.
Dinner is served. Delicious. Next, I'll show you what happens when you mix two of the same substance with the same volume with two different temperatures. In this experiment, we're using water, blue dye as cold water, and red dye as warm water. When you mix them together, they have to be the same volume and same substance. They equal the average of the two combined. Medium water. Bang.
Momentum equals mass times velocity. Since Brennan had more velocity than Max, when he tackled Max, he transferred some of his momentum into Max. Then they moved together in one direction.
Friction is the force resisting motion of objects sliding against each other. When friction occurs, heat is released, which can cause a spark that will light a match on fire.
doing, Max?
I'm doing work.
No, you aren't.
What is work then?
Work is force times distance.
Doesn't have to be in the same direction the object is moving to.
There you go.
So does this work?
Yeah!
Ding ding.
Awesome. When you strike a key on a piano, a hammer goes up, causing the string to vibrate at a certain frequency. When it is a shorter string, it resonates at a higher frequency, and when it is a longer string, it does it at a lower frequency. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. Therefore, when I was slowing down back there, my acceleration decreased because I went from my velocity from moving this killer bike all the way down to 0.
Velocity equals distance over time. Therefore, if I pedal faster over a certain amount of time, I'll have a greater velocity.
Displacement is the distance from stop to start. It is a scalar quantity, therefore it cannot be negative. We out chip.
One, two, three.
Wow!
So this flame right here,
There's no flame.
flame on, flame's off.
Go.
Dinner. Oh, that hurt. No, hold on. It equals the average. Oh god. It equals. Oh my god. Read.
Dude, watch me pop this 3.
Sound. Videotape him barking, we can use that for sound.
Over it in a certain
Hey,
amount
Rachel.
of time, I have the more velocity
What?
I have. Alright, go do it again.
What? What do you call a nun in a wheelchair? Virgin Mobile.
Oh my